Hello and welcome to another Deva tutorial. Today, we will be explaining how to use the Deva error mapping program. First, we need to open the program. The Deva error mapping utility allows you to generate a Deva error map in a couple of ways. Firstly, you can generate a map using run data files. Secondly, you can generate a map by importing an external map that stores data in a different form. To start, you need to create a project. Click the New button. You will be able to choose the name and file location of your project. The default project directory is Documents, Deva Error Mapping, Projects. You can change this directory. The maps you generate and other important data will be stored with a project. To open a project, you can choose one from the list, or you can click the Open button and browse for one. Once you open a project, the main page will open. From here, you will be able to navigate around different parts of the program. To generate a map, you must first define a preset. A preset is used to tell the program how to go about generating a map and provides attributes of a CMM. To create a preset, click the Create button under the Preset section. It will bring you to a page where you can define its parameters. Information on each parameter is included in the Deva manual. Once you have entered all the parameters, enter a name and click Create. Once you have created a preset, they will be stored in the Presets folder in the project directory. Any preset stored in this folder will be loaded when a project is opened. You can delete or edit a preset in the Edit Preset page. You will need to import run data files to generate a map. To do this, click the Import button under the Run section. Click the folder icon and you will be able to browse for a run file. Once you have selected a file, you will be able to see the data in table and graph form. Next, you can give the run a name and save it to the project. Any saved runs can be visualized in the View Run page. You can also delete unneeded runs on this page. To create a map, click the Create button under the Map section. Use the combo box at the top of the page to choose the preset. Now you can insert a run for each run type. A detailed description of each run type is included in the Deva Error Suite Technical Guide. To insert a run, click a down arrow. It will open a dialog window that will let you choose a run of that type from your project. If you have a Deva data collection project saved on your system, you will also be able to pick runs from those projects. This can save the need to import them. Once you have entered the runs, you can now name and create the map. To view a saved map, click the View button under the Map section. You can choose which map to view using the combo box at the top of the page. You can visualize the map in graph and table form. On the Y-axis, you can toggle which error types you want to see. On the X-axis, you can choose which moving axis to plot against and the index of the other two axes. To export a map, simply click the Export button and choose a file location. This exported map can now be referenced in the Deva config editor. If you want to import an external map, click the Import button under the Map section. You can choose the type of map by using the File Type combo box at the top of the page. You can enter the map's file path by clicking the folder icon. If the map is imported successfully, you will be able to visualize it as you can on the View Map page. As imported maps include squareness data, it is shown in the text boxes at the bottom right of the page. You can change these values and the map will be updated to reflect them. We advise you to not change these values and use the map without any squareness correction in the Deva configuration. You can name the map and save it to the project using the controls at the bottom of the page. You can also export the individual run data files that make up the map using the Export Files button. Thanks for listening to this Deva tutorial. If you have any questions or problems, please consult the Deva manual for a more in-depth explanation or email at support@deva.co.uk.